Okay, everyone, I am done with 40, 50, 80. I am done with that user. He has gone way too far when it comes to tampering with fire alarms in public buildings. He took a mini fire alarm control panel off the wall and took it with him. That is a no-no. That is a felony. He should be in jail for doing that. He really crossed the line this time. You don't ever tamper with fire alarms in any public building, because these things are not toys. They are life safety devices. These things alert people that the building is on fire and they must evacuate immediately. So these are not to be messed around with, and under no circumstances should they ever be stealed. Bye.